Hello everyone, I'm Alain and in this video I'm gonna show you my way to prepare Italian gnocchi. For 4 people we are gonna use 1 kilo of peeled potato, 300 grams of flour, if you wish 1 medium egg and a pinch of salt. I already boiled the potato in a pot. I peel the potato when they're still warm and smash them with a fork. I gently add the flour. Later also the eggs mixed with salt. I work the ingredients until I obtain a good firm dough. For the sauce, I take a pan, I pour olive oil, I add the garlic and finally the tomato sauce. While the sauce is cooking, I go back to my dough. I divide it in a smaller piece and roll each of them to achieve the shape you see. I cut it with a simple knife and with the back of a fork I roll the little pieces to get the classic shape. At the same time I put another pot with water on the stove. When boiling I add salt and I throw my gnocchi into the water. As soon as they float on the surface, we are ready to serve them with tomato sauce and grated Parmigiano Reggiano cheese over it.